Tegan, what are you doing? You reading the book? Yeah, book? Thank you. You like that? Ooh.
Book. Yeah, it's a book.
Can you read it? What's it say? What's that, the bunny tail? Touch? Yeah. Can you give the bunny a kiss? Yeah, give the bunny a kiss. Can you give this bunny a kiss? Give the bunny a kiss. Oh, you give hugs. Nice. So nice. Say bye-bye, Grandma. Or Gigi. Say bye-bye, Gap. Bye, Aunt Pat. Bye, Grandma. Love you. Say bye-bye.